Hey guys, my name's Anthony Turner. I'm a session stylist. So one tool that's been really important for me is the Dyson Corrale. So I've put the Dyson Corrale to the test in all of the different environments that I've been working in this season. During the Erdem show, it wasn't a PowerPoint in sight, but because the Dyson Corrale is cordless, it just meant that I could transport it to wherever I needed to be. The Dyson Corrale is unique in the fact that it has flexing copper plates that shift to gather hair, which means that we kind of ultimately limit the amount of damage that we do to models' hair, which is very important when we're dealing with different textures of hair as well. It has enhanced styling, but with half the damage. In terms of curls, straightening hair, this kind of does it all. It's my new little assistant. I love it.